just wanted to show you guys something. First of all, replacing the power supply is a pretty involved process. They do have a video on it, but I think it's a little more hardcore than most people would like to do. I'm comfortable with it because I've messed around with a lot of like 3D printers and built my own computers and stuff, but I just wanted to show this circuit board here. That is not encouraging. All that, I'm not sure what that is. This is the new one here. You can see it's much cleaner, but it does have a little bit over here. See it kind of on the outskirts, but I'm not sure what happened there. That just doesn't look good. I know that soldering should not look like that. But yeah, here's the old one. Get you a little close up. Here's the new one. Get that guy in there and let's see if it works.